Real Madrid are staring at a crossroads that could redefine their defence for a decade. Two senior names, Antonio Rudiger and David Alaba, have been told their time in the first team is winding down, and that leaves Xabi Alonso with a clear instruction from the top. Give me a reliable partner for Dean Huijsen. Huijsen arrived as a teenage powerhouse with an almost immediate claim on the centre of the back. The question now is which voice will anchor him and which signing will turn a promising duo into an ironclad spine. In private meetings at Valdebebas, the list on Florentino Perez's desk is short, sharp and revealing. Big names like William Saliba and Ibrahim Konate are obvious splashes, players who bring physical presence, speed and Premier League pedigree. Date Upamecano, available in the near future, offers a seasoned profile too, but there's a twist in the plot. A less flashy, more tactical option has rocketed up Madrid's watch list. Youri Baas, a 22-year-old at Ajax whose rise has been both steady and stealthy. Baas isn't the type of marquee name that fills social feeds overnight, but that's precisely why he's interesting. At Ajax, he's developed in a system that prizes ball progression, positional intelligence, and the sort of composure on the ball that modern defenders must possess to start play from the back. Scouts who track him highlight his anticipation, clean distribution under pressure, and an ability to step into midfield lines without losing defensive balance. Those traits map perfectly to what Alonso wants, a defender who can do the dirty work but also help control possession and build attacks from deep alongside Huijsen. Crucially, Boz's market value remains lower than the top-tier targets, which makes him a financially neat solution to a long-term problem. A way to secure elite-level traits without paying elite-level panic money. That bargain element has a second effect. It attracts competition. Reports link Liverpool to Baas too, and you can see why. If Virgil van Dijk's future becomes murky, or if Liverpool decides to refresh its centre-back pool, Baas becomes attractive as a younger, cheaper long-term project. Suddenly, a low-profile transfer target becomes the centre of a high-stakes tug-of-war between Europe's elites. Madrid's ability to activate relationships, time an approach, and sell the project, Huijsen already in place, Alonso's tactical blueprint, the chance to grow into a worldwide club legend, will determine whether they win the race. But there are risks and trade-offs to consider. Choosing Saliba or Konate would be a marquee statement. Immediate physical dominance and fewer growing pains. Upamecano brings top-tier experience at elite levels. Opting for Baas bets on projection and fit rather than instant world-class status, it's a longer-term strategy that presumes Madrid's coaching setup will accelerate his development. The decision also affects the dressing room dynamic. Letting Rudiger and Alaba run down their contracts sends a message about cycles and renewal. Fans may squeal for the big-name fix, yet what Florentino and Alonso seem to be plotting is a structural solution that preserves balance between the books and the pitch. For Dean Huijsen, this is decisive. Pairing him with an experienced physical partner could shelter his learning curve and let him grow without constant exposure to mobile forwards. Pairing him with a ball-playing technician like Baas could fast-track a new kind of centre-back partnership, one that defends deep but also thrusts forward to turn defensive phases into attacking chances. Either route shapes Huijsen's role. Is he a future lone pillar to be protected or an immediate co-leader in a new Madrid rearguard? The chessboard now includes Liverpool's interest, Ajax's valuation discipline, and Madrid's appetite for a balanced rebuild. Expect quiet approaches, whispered offers, and a window where timing matters more than money. If Real pull off a Baas deal, critics will debate it as a masterstroke or a gamble. If they sign a headline name, pundits will call it bold and safe. Either way, the core idea is clear. Madrid are not tinkering, they're redesigning the backbone of the club. The next signing won't just replace two aging defenders, it will announce what kind of defensive era Real Madrid want next. One built on immediate firepower or on a smarter, sustainable spine around a 19-year-old Huijsen. Fans should pay attention. The face of Madrid's defence is about to change, and that change could echo through La Liga and across Europe for years.